So this little swim deck, swim platform on the back of this boat is it's pretty much an eyesore. So let's see if we can't do something about it. Alright, that wasn't my best work, but I'd say it's an improvement over what I had. It matches the boat pretty good, and I am satisfied with it. Alright, on to the next project. Alright, since I've been dealing with these boats and using this hydro turf, I've had a lot of people ask me the question, how does the Amazon cheapo version of the hydro turf hold up? Now, granted, every one of these boats that I've built and put the cheap hydro turf on, which I've used cheap hydro turf and I've also used name brand hydro turf, but I'm building these boats and I'm turning around and selling them. So I haven't really had a long-term, opinion on them. All I can tell you is how well it looks like it sticks down for me when I put it on. And I feel like I'm doing the right steps. You know, I thoroughly clean the area, and I will wipe it down with acetone before I lay the HydroTurf down. All the stuff I'm using is the self-adhesive stuff. Now, I haven't had a problem with this Amazon HydroTurf. I will say, all right, so my G3 boat is like name brand HydroTurf with name brand 3M backing. And obviously I use that boat all the time. It sits out in the weather, as you guys know if you watch my videos, and I have had absolutely no problems with it. Now all this Amazon brand stuff, it has been boats that I have sold, no boats that I've kept, except for the Lumicrush, which is kept under a shade, so it's not, you know, in the elements really. It's not getting rained on, and it seems to be holding up fine. Now, what that pertains to the ski boat and this video is, earlier in the video you saw me laying this little swim deck platform with this Amazon HydroTurf, and I don't want to say it's the HydroTurf's problem as much as it is my fault, because as soon as I laid this stuff down, I didn't know, but literally an hour later it rained. And I mean, it rained for hours, thunderstorm. I didn't know. I should have looked at the weather, I guess. I don't know. It's just one of them summertime things, a pop-up storm that lasted longer than you would assume that would. With that being said, I'm going to show you guys the little issue I'm running into. So I got the boat at Amanda's house now, and right here, you see, I mean, it's kind of tacky still, but it's just peeled up. And it's not staying down. I mean, it's coming right back up. So what I'm going to try to do to fix this is 3M high strength 90 contact adhesive. I'm going to try to spray it in this little corner right here. Hope that I don't get it all over the place. Which if I do, I'm hoping I can wipe it down with acetone or something to remove the glue. And put something heavy on here, and hopefully that'll hold it down. This is the only corner that is coming up. But like I said, since so many people have asked me about this Amazon HydroTurf, I wanted to include this in the video. This is the first problem I've had with it. And like I said, I'm not going to say it's totally the Amazon Turf's problem. You know, it rained within an hour of me laying this stuff. So I don't want to knock it. Definitely don't want to knock it. I feel like it's a lot on me more than the turf itself. I should have went out here and covered it up, is what I should have done. I didn't know it was going to rain. You know, I work night shift. I'll work on these boats for 3 or 4 hours, and then I go inside and take a shower and go to bed in the afternoon. Well, it rained at about 1 o'clock that day, and I think it rained for 4 or 5 hours. And I think that water just pooled up right here before this adhesive backing had a good chance to really adhere to the fiberglass. So, like I said, you know, take this with a grain of salt. I just want to be 100% transparent with you guys. I'm not knocking this stuff, but this is the first problem I ran into, but is also, I feel like, is my fault. So, anyways, that being said, let's fix it. Alright, like I said, hopefully that's more than enough to fix this little issue. You can get this stuff right here from Home Depot or Lowe's. I think I paid $17 for it. Obviously, I didn't need very much of it. A lot of this HydroTurf you can get that's not adhesive backed, and this is kind of the stuff that you want to use. when you're applying that type of hydroturf. So hopefully this will fix my little issue. The other end is totally fine. Like I said, I think it's just because it rained so fast after laying this, and that water just kind of pulled up in this one little corner because the boat wasn't sitting level to where all the water would just drain off. But like I said, you know, I want to show you guys the good and the bad. This was the bad. Like I said, I feel like it's more of my fault than anything. But just so you guys know, this is what I ran into. Alright, that is going to do it for this video. Next up will be painting the bottom of this stupid boat. I am so ready to get rid of this boat. It has been a lot more work than I intended. But we will see you guys then. I appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one.